Good morning and welcome to Zagreb, Croatia. I arrived here yesterday and guess what I'm doing this morning? That's right, I'm doing a walking tour, of course. So I'm nearly there now, so I'm going to need to put the camera away before anybody sees me talking to it. And I'll show you around the city and I'll explain a bit more about what's going on later on in the video. See ya! And that is a very quick look around Zagreb in Croatia. That's about all I'm going to see in Croatia, I think, to be honest, because I'm only here because I'm flying at home from here. So my flight is in a few days. I'm just going to chill here before taking my flight and making my way home. Well, nearly home. In fact, a little bit further than home, but you'll see what I'm talking about if you carry on watching. So one more country after this one and I will be home, so stay tuned, like the video, stay subscribed, blah blah blah. See ya.